Thank you for joining us. My name is Victoria, this is Ellie, and we're here to help you save time preparing your transformational journeys with YouLi. Now, YouLi is a platform built by YouLive to travel, a remote team of passionate travelers and software experts. Our co-founders are based in Melbourne, Australia, and that's where YouLi was born, but right now we are fully international, so Ellie and I'm supporting you here from the US coasts. You may know us from the TTC Market Place, a place where travelers can find adventures curated by you, TTC allies and graduates of the program. Together with the TTC, we have created a simple way for every mentor to build their online presence from the very first trip. Of course, as you grow and manage more trips, managing your travelers manually becomes time-consuming and frustrating. That's where YouLi steps in. YouLi is simply a smart platform that allows you to scale smart without any miscommunications, duplicate work, or long email searches. In the words of our beloved Kelsey from the TTC leadership, integrating YouLi is simply the easiest thing. Now, what does YouLi actually do? YouLi is a unique product that not only takes care of your itineraries and helps you manage bookings, we also handle tasks and resources. So on one hand, your team gets the perfect tool to manage all the things to be done before, during, and after the trip, while your travelers come prepared and get the best experience before, during, and after. In travel technology terms, we are supporting your mid-office and front office operations. And that's why YouLi is much more than just a booking platform. One of our enterprise clients recently described our work like this. Not only will YouLi make your trip planners much more efficient, we'll also be giving supporters the best experience possible. And because of how good the new software looks, I think they'll have even greater confidence in our ability to serve them throughout the process. Now, why Compassion UK thinks that we provide the best travel experience? Let's take a look at what traveler experience actually is when they're on YouLi. YouLi helps you create interactive itineraries. For example, you can add optional items for travelers to opt in, which means you create the itinerary once, but your travelers get a personalized version of it, made just for them. You can find itineraries online or in a read-only offline mode, on your computer, on the phone. As a traveler, I can pay for my trip within YouLi itself and see all the installments that I made before. At the same time, I can get receipt made sent to me instantly. As your planner decide, I as a traveler have options of how I can make that payment. I can pay via credit card, over the phone, with a PayPal. I can send you a check or process direct bank transfer, or like many nonprofits do, you can link me to a donation page. One of the most powerful tools of YouLi is tasks and resources. As a planner, you decide the order of tasks the traveler completes, and the traveler gets email notifications when the task is due, or if they didn't complete it, then after as well. On the planner side, you can see who responded to your tasks, when it was completed. You can also communicate from within the app by sending messages to specific users or travelers. Travelers have reported that they much prefer dealing with the interactive task list rather than a PDF. This quote is from Elena Bohr, a traveler who's been recently on a trip in Morocco with our co-founders. Now, what about your team, your co-planners, your field leaders? We couldn't say it better than our clients. Since implementing YouLi for Best Life Adventures, I have been able to bring together a number of complex spreadsheets that had no uniformity to them. It has allowed me to hand over the administration of our expeditions to another team member and freed me up to spend more time driving new businesses. That's Ben Southall, the founder of Best Life Adventures, an adventurepreneur as he calls himself. Now let's take a look at the work has been done by one of our TTC allies, a mentor, partner, and a proud YouLi ambassador, Jennifer Spatz. Jennifer founded Global Family Travels as the company to follow United Nations sustainability goals. And in her words, her mission is to foster global citizens and to build cultural bridges. Today, Global Family Travel is a team of 5 co-planners who offer public and private family trips to over 25 destinations all over the world, from Peru, Cuba, India to here, Seattle. We can actually participate in one of those adventures. Now let's take a look at the flow of one of their signature trips, Learn, Serve and Immerse. This trip is a Discover India with Heart and yoga tour. This actually happens, so you can take part in this in April. The first slide is Global Family Travel's website. That's where the traveler can discover the trip itself. When they like it, they immediately move to YouLi platform. One click, and now on YouLi. At the same time, the trip itself looks exactly the same. It's GFT brand, GFT logo, GFT domain, and the best things, customers get the best travel experience with it. Here, with YouLi Trip, they are prompted to fill out their name and email, and that's where the trip-paid journey begins. At this time, traveler is prompted to pay the deposit, set intentions, tasks like introduce yourself, upload your passport. All of that will be also emailed to traveler to notify them when the task is due. Once the traveler is registered, the planner gets notified via email. Here they can either follow up with the traveler or let them go through the journey themselves. Now, we are proud to say that Jennifer is happy about their service, and we know that because of this quote. YouLi team has been amazing to work with. We've been working their documents and PDFs. Now our trips use YouLi's communication platform, and it's been super easy way, time savings wise, to communicate everything that's needed. That's a high appraisal, and we thank Jennifer for that. Now, who else is YouLi for? YouLi platform is built for travel companies in all stages of development, from solo entrepreneurs, like for example, our TTC ally, who's here, Rachel Gilmore, the founder of Earth and Soul Adventures, or big corporations like the Compassion UK, an international charity organization, or STA, Student Travel Abroad, company that allows students to take on trips. Depending on where you're at in your journey, you of course can pick the package that fits you the most. As a TTC ally and a mentor, you get a free account and guide, and that allows you to embed your trip on the TTC Market Place. If you're not there yet, please find us. We'll help you sign up and get it published for free. Of course, if you're growing your operations and to take advantage of all the premium features we talked about, you can get on the Crew, our most popular plan. For $150 a month, you get full integration with your website, all those 5 payment methods, and 10 tasks per trip. And Venture, of course, for those like Global Family Travels, who are scaling and growing fast. Now, we're honored to be at this event, and as a special thank you, we would like to offer you a package. Instead of $550 per month with the Crew package, we offer you $60 for each user. We realize that a lot of you may be running your operations with 1 or 2 people, so this is the way to help you get started. What we want to say is ultimately YouLi just works. We are proud to say that we have collected over $3 million in bookings, and of course counting more, and over 3,000 travelers have taken their journeys powered by YouLi Tech. Ultimately, we choose technology that works, and we are happy to help you save time on administration and spend more on what you love most, transformational travel. So if you want to take advantage of this offer or ask if this offer works for you, please come find us. We'll be here until Tuesday, or you can book a call with us. Our special offer for $60 a month on a starter crew is valid until end of March. Come see us.